Hi guys, this is Nasty. I'll be showing you today the finger flick trick. I really don't know the name of this trick, so I named it myself. Okay, here it goes. As you can see, you can do it like that and then do it with the juggle. What you must do is you must position your hand like this. Hold on. Just position your hand like that. As you can see, this is your hand. Grab the zippo like that, and using this finger, flick the cover. This is the hinge. As you can see, this is the hinge. Okay, and using this finger, flick the cover. Open. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Just like that. Oh, I'm sorry. There you go. The finger flick trick. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy some of my videos. You can check them out on my channel. Thanks again, and have a nice day.